You might not realize it, but one of the biggest reasons why your high quality boots look worn out isn't the leather, it's the laces. And that's why in just a few simple steps, I'm going to show you how swapping them out can completely change the look and feel of your boots. Plus, we'll clean, condition, and protect your leather so your boots look brand new again. Let's get started. Many boot manufacturers choose cotton laces because they're cheap, but they're just not built to last. Cotton fibers break down every time you tie your boots, and before you know it, fraying, snapping, and you've got an old looking pair of boots. That's why I always recommend swapping them out for better laces. They last longer, handle wear better, and keep your boots looking sharp. Hey guys, my name is Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. I'm partnering with Cobbler's Choice to bring you a wide variety of quality made laces so you know what's out there and how to properly replace them so you guys can have great looking boots again. Let's get to it. So before we do anything, we need to remove these old worn out laces. They've definitely been through a lot, and as you can see, they're frayed, torn, and really tired looking. So a fresh pair will make a huge difference, as you will see. Not everyone prefers leather laces, so Cobbler's Choice also provides a very sleek flat waxed cotton lace that's extremely durable due to the wax and provides a modern clean aesthetic to your boots. First, we need to get rid of any loose dirt, dust, or debris sitting on the surface of your leather. I'm using Cobbler's Choice horsehair brush because it's super gentle but effective at lifting dirt without causing damage or scratches. You always want to start with a dry brush before applying any cleaner because this keeps the dirt from getting rubbed into the leather later on. Now that our leather is all brushed off, we're using Cobbler's Choice all natural leather cleaner to remove built up grime and any potential marks or stains. This step is crucial because conditioning dry, dirty leather just seals in the dirt. You want to refresh that surface before adding moisture back into the leather. Now this cleaning step doesn't need to take long, just a simple and thorough clean will do, but if you are skipping this step, your boots are not getting the full refresh they deserve, and you may begin to see drying out or cracking of your leather later on. So make sure you don't skip this step. Now that our boots are clean and fully dry, we're going to bring the leather back to life with Cobbler's Choice leather conditioner made with all natural, triple filtered beeswax. And depending on your leather, this may make those unsightly scuffs or ashy leather completely disappear because conditioning restores moisture, keeps the leather from drying out, and is the secret to that like new look. And just so you guys know, a little goes a long way. Just work it in evenly and let it absorb. You'll see pretty much an instant improvement in how the leather looks and feels. Now for the part that makes a huge difference, new laces. We've got Cobbler's Choice flat waxed cotton laces and their matte black leather laces, which not only last longer than standard ones, but also give your boots a premium like new. You can definitely feel the difference here. These laces are sturdy, they won't fray like the cotton ones, and they instantly upgrade the look of your boots. It's a small change, but it takes your boots from looking tired to looking sharp and well kept. Alright, so to get the most out of these leather laces, I'm going to give them a little bit more TLC before lacing them up. First, I'm running them through some more of Cobbler's Choice leather conditioner because this will soften them up and keep them flexible, so they'll be easier to work with and last even longer. Conditioning the laces also helps preserve their durability and keeps them from cracking over time. So after giving them a really good massage so that all the conditioner is evenly spread out, I'll go ahead and lace them onto the boots. And guys, trust me, this extra step makes a huge difference in both how they feel and look once they're tied up. Now, as we're lacing these boots, I wanted to recommend one last thing, and that is keeping your boots in shape with Cobbler's Choice cedar boot trees. They are essential for maintaining that solid boot shape, especially after a long day of wear. These boot trees help prevent creases, cracking, and ugly sagging by supporting the leather and absorbing the moisture from sweat. They not only keep your boots looking sharp, but also extend their lifespan. It's really a simple addition to your routine that makes a huge difference in preserving both the look and structure of your boots. Alright guys, so as we tie up this video, as well as these boots, I wanted to mention a few last things about these laces and how they're different even from other leather laces because of the way that they're made. Not only are these hides from the USA, but they're also tanned differently than other leather. Using an alum tanning method, which is aluminum salts, these laces result essentially in a firmer and higher durable leather lace that can withstand the elements and time, making them super durable, dependable, and strong. And that pretty much wraps it up. Just look at the difference. A simple, clean condition and lace swap completely revived these boots. So if your boots are looking tired, don't replace them, just refresh them. Thank you guys so much for watching. It's really incredible how quickly and easily you can completely transform and bring back value to your leather footwear with simple and affordable solutions like replacing old laces. Now, if you got value from this, let me know by liking the video, subscribing with the bell icon, and sharing it with your community. Now, if you liked this video, I know you'll love these ones next. Remember to love your leather.